Now
This meeting is being recorded.
Okay, now I can either change the chart type from here, or I can redo the entire thing. So let's say I want a column chart now. Now with this column chart, I have multiple options, clustered column, or there is another one here. Okay, depending on how I want it. Let's say I want this type of chart and I get my chart here. And same things will apply when I come to design. I have the styles here. The styles can change based on how I want it. Color and the legend and all of those can change based on my style that I want. Now see, I have certain quantity here. Now if I add a quantity, let's say 15,000, this is 20,000, this is 35,000, this is 21,000. All right. If I have to quickly add this type of another column into my chart, one option is I recreate the chart. I again go here and then I say insert chart, or I can go here and say insert chart and then I insert the chart that I want. Right? That is one option. Another option is, which I can use, is I have this chart and see here this blue line comes. I drag this and pull it in. So automatically my quantity has been dragged in. But can you see the quantity on the chart?
Yes.
You can barely see it. Why? Because in comparison to this sales number, this quantity is very low. See, instead of 15,000, if I put 1,50,000, I get a little bit of speck of orange color. Or I put 2 zeros here, then I will get a nice orange bar here, right? Now, to overcome this, if you can see here, I have two different units here. This is in rupees. Sales, let's say, is in rupees. And quantity is, let's say, in numbers. How many units sold? Right? Now, the quantity can be numbers or the sales can be in rupees. Now, these are two different units. It's very difficult, or we should not accommodate, or we should not put both of them in the same graph. So what should we do? This is a special type of graph that we create, and we call that as a combo chart. So I go to this recommended chart, and over here, when I go to all charts, right at the bottom, there is something called as a combo chart. Okay, in combo chart, what you can do is you can have what we call as a secondary axis. This is one axis where it is in rupees or dollars. So this is in millions, let's say. And here the quantity is in numbers. So for the quantity, what I will do is I'll click on this checkbox. And now see my graph changes. On one side, I have million. Another side, I have thousands, 10,000, 5,000, 15,000, 20,000, and so on. And I say, okay, now my chart has two types of chart. One is a bar chart, other is a line chart. Is that clear?
Sir, it's clear, but how did you get this blue color outline, sir? The different color outline, how you are getting this?
Here, when I go to this recommended chart, I went to all charts and I went to combo. And if I want to change the color, I can always change it from change colors. Whichever one I want, I can always change it.
No, sir. What I'm saying that when you select the data, you see that under the sales and quantity, there is a different color outline.
Oh, this one.
Color.
The moment I click on the chart, it will come. I have to click on the chart. Got it?
I mean, this is automatically appear.
Yes, yes, it will come. It will automatically select it.
Yes.
Sephora, okay.
I think something is wrong with her.
Yes.
Something is wrong with her headphone.
No, no, it's okay.
Okay. Have you tried it?
Well,
Is it done?
so I'm trying to figure it out.
Hmm. Have any questions?
Sir, if I want to add another diagram or any like this, so then I'll
Another
have to what I
column?
have to do.
Another column?
No, yes, if I add another column
Huh.
and
Yeah, just go and add one column here. Let's say target. Target was, let's say, now when I do this graph, okay, what am I getting? I'm not getting this. So what I can do is I can go to this select data. Okay. In the select data, see, only the sales and the quantity is visible. Target is not visible, is not added. So what I can do, I can click on this target from here and I can give the series name as target and the values will come from here. Say okay. And if I look at my chart here, design and change chart type. Now here this chart type, this is a combo chart, quantity target. Target I want as a column chart. So I will say a column chart. Okay, either clustered or I can give separate column chart also, like, or I can give a bar chart or column chart depending on how I want it. But I don't want it on the secondary axis. Both of them should be the same axis. So now what do I have? I have the green one is the actual, yellow one is my target. So actual sales, target, and the quantity. Got it?
What was the option, sir? How did you get the third one? Data,
Third one,
the data
yeah.
option.
I'll show you how I did. So what did I do first? I first inserted an extra column. That one, I think you got it, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes. Now what did I do? One option is I can just delete this and I can straight away go here and do the insert chart. Got it? Or I can do a combo chart from here. So these two will be clustered column and quantity will be my line. And this is a clean way of doing it.
So
Right?
this is the entire way you are making this chart, right, sir?
Correct. I did it from scratch, right? From as if the chart never existed. But sometimes what happens, you are given a chart and where there's a lot of changes, modifications, formatting that has been put in, and you don't want to recreate that thing. Then what you can do, you can go here and click on the chart, go to design. There is a select data over there option. Can you see this select data?
Yes.
Click
In
on
the
select
design.
data. Yes. So select data shows you what is there. The brand is on this horizontal axis, which is this one, Pond's, Lakme, Revlon, Imami. And I have the sales and the quantity currently. Now I'm going to add the target. So first one is the series name, that is the column name is target. And the series value, where is it coming from? It is coming from these values. And I say, okay. Now, still this is coming as a line chart. Why? Because the format by design, it is automatically putting it as line and on the secondary axis. I don't want it on the secondary axis. And instead of line, I want it as a bar chart, column chart. I say, okay.
I understand. Sir,
Yes.
yesterday I was practicing some data in Excel and I was trying to use the find and select option in the home tab. So what was I was doing that I was looking for a word and when I'm typing the same word but trying to find it but I couldn't get it. And every time I'm trying that, the system is saying whatever you are searching it cannot be found or something like that.
But it is there.
But it's there. Even I wanted to replace the word with something, but still I'm getting the same result.
Okay.
I couldn't understand why is that, why was it happening.
You want to show what was happening?